Docker Init. What is this feature about? Docker Init was introduced for the first time in Docker Desktop 4.18. Docker Init generates Docker assets for projects, making it easier to create Docker images and containers. When you run the Docker Init command in your project directory, it will guide you through the creation of the necessary files for your project with sensible defaults. These files include Docker Ignore, Dockerfile, and Docker Compose YAML. This feature is intended for developers who want to quickly create and manage Docker assets without having to configure everything manually. It is a feature that is currently in beta phase. Okay, let's make a demo with Python. For this demo, we will need to install Docker Desktop 4.18 and above. To showcase the capabilities of the Docker Init command line interface, let's clone a GitHub repository with a simple Python code. Let's enter into the directory Hello World Demo Python. Let's explore the files. This application defines a handler that responds to GET requests with specific text and starts an HTTP server listening on port 8080. Let's initialize the Docker assets and run the Docker Init command. Docker Init creates the following files with sensible defaults for your project: Docker Ignore, Dockerfile, and Compose YAML. Docker Init command also allows you to choose the application platform for our project, in this case Python. We are going to choose the default Python version 3.11, and we are going to write the port where our application is going to listen, 8080. And we are going to write a command to run our application, which is Python 3 and the name of our file in Python. That's it. We are going to explore the files again, and we have Dockerfile and Compose. If we list all the hidden files, we are going to find also Docker Ignore. Now, let's check the Dockerfile. The Dockerfile have a lot of things that we don't need, so we are going to remove some things. Let's see. We are going to remove all the comments so we can get confused with this. We are going to keep these arguments and remove this. We are going to keep this really basic. We don't need this for now, so I'm going to save this. Let's explore the Compose file. It contains just a service for our application that's going to run in the port 8080. And we are ready to run the Docker Compose file. And finally, let's make a curl in the port 8080. And here we have Hello from Docker. We can also go to the browser and see the same result. Using Docker Init will help you to simplify Docker asset creations. You will save time and effort, and you will have a better project organization. You will also enhance portability. Let me know if you have any questions about Docker Init command. See you in the next tutorial.